So I'm in Barcelona and I'm going to be doing a couple of tours and I'll be taking you guys along with me. So watch out. My trip to Barcelona started with a train ride from Benidorm. I used the train because I wanted to see the countryside and landscapes of Barcelona, and honestly, it was just as beautiful as I anticipated. Guys, I just got to my new hotel, so I'm going to my room now. I'll show you guys when I get there. The first thing you find in the entrance of this room is a large dressing mirror, which is really good for checking out yourself. The room also had a large comfortable double bed, bedside lamps, and then a reading table and a chair. It also had a couch, a single couch, which you can just sit to relax. It also had an electric kettle for tea. It had a fridge with some free water in it, which was really kind of them. It also had a safe where you can keep your valuables. The wardrobe also has some other items like tissue, shoe shiner, which was really kind because my shoe was dirty and I needed that. Also, there were some hangers and an ironing board in the cupboard as well. Next, I'm going to take you guys to the toilet and bathroom. I loved this bathroom because of the minimalistic design. It was really chic and really beautiful. It had these new tiles and really nice spacious bathroom. I absolutely loved it. It had a hair dryer and sockets for the dryer as well. It was the toilet and lots of towels that came with the bathroom. It was really nice. It was a really good hotel. It's a 4-star hotel and it checked all the boxes. On my first day in Barcelona, I embarked on a 2 hours Gaudi and Modernism free tour, which I found on Get Your Guide. This tour started from the beautiful Example district, known for its unique grid-like layout and stunning modernist architecture. Our first stop was the Casaleo Morera, which was owned by the Morera family. Morera, which means mulberry tree in English. Hence, there were designs of mulberry tree on the handles of the doors and the patios and around the balconies of the house. On the first floor, outside the windows, you can see 2 couples of feminine figures holding several objects related to the technological improvements made in that period, such as the phonograph, electricity, and photography. Designed by the visionary architect Anthony Gaudi, the Casa Batlló is known for its organic shapes, colorful mosaic facade, and whimsical design elements inspired by nature. It is believed that Gaudi designed the roof to resemble the back of a dragon.
Guys, I'm live at the Sagrada Familia.
The highlight of my trip to Barcelona was my visit to the La Sagrada Familia. The design of the La Sagrada Familia is a striking combination of the Gothic and Art Nouveau styles, featuring intricate facades that tells biblical stories. If you intend to visit the Sagrada Familia and see the inside, don't forget to buy your tickets beforehand, as the tickets are usually sold out.
Pròxima estació, Diagonal. Atesa amb línies 3 i
Guell is another masterpiece by Anthony Gaudi, which is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Stepping into this park is like stepping into a wonderland or fairy tale of some sort, with its winding pathways and colorful mosaic sculptures and overall beautiful, breathtaking views of the city below. As the sun began to set, I couldn't think of a better way to end my day than with a traditional flamenco show. But first, I needed to get something to eat.